Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit a video in Capcut. Either it's for YouTube or your personal project. So let's open up Capcut. We already selected our video, which is this one.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video.
I'm gonna add auto captions, transitions, text and filters. You can do a lot of stuff in Capcut and it's also free. So I definitely recommend using it. So first up, let's add an auto caption option. I selected the text section on the bottom of the screen. I select auto captions and we're gonna select the style which I want, which is this one. We wait for it to generate. We will also style it because it has to look better. Okay, I chose this Montserrat font, which is very awesome. I'm gonna make it this big over here. For effects, I think I'm gonna use this one. This one looks the best. For the animation, we use the default one, which was from the auto caption style. And bubble, I don't think we need to use bubble because it would look awful. So let's see.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video using Capcut.
Okay, it looks awesome. In my opinion, the caption looks awesome. We're gonna add a transition over here. So in order to add a transition, we're gonna click on this line button here between two videos. And we're gonna do a transition. Let's do a free one. Bubble blur.
Edit your YouTube.
Yeah, this one looks awesome. You can choose whatever you like. There's a lot of stuff here, even for free version, and it's awesome to use. I'm using this. I'm gonna add a text template over here in order to look better.
YouTube video using Capcut.
Let's go with for the beginning.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video using Capcut.
Here you can add whatever text you want. I just showed you a template. So we added a text, we added a transition. Let's add some effects. For a video effect, because we didn't film ourselves, we don't have to use a body effect. So let's see which effect we'll like.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video.
No, I don't like this one.
This is how you can
it doesn't
edit
look
your
good,
YouTube
this one.
video.
Let me choose another one. I want some camera thing or nightclub.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video
So I found my desired effect.
using Capcut.
I'm gonna press the tick one and let's see our final version.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video using Capcut.
Oh, it looks awesome in my opinion. Let's add a filter to this second video and we are done. We are done. Let's search for filters. There's a lot of variety of filters you can choose. I'm gonna go with this fade filter to make the text pop up more, you know. And this is the ending. Let's see before and after.
This is how you can edit your YouTube video. This is how you can edit your YouTube video using Capcut.
So let me know guys if you need further instructions and don't forget to subscribe as always.